Hi guys, my name is Jamie. I'm from the IAG Group and we're the owners of Wharfedale. I'm here to talk to you about the new Wharfedale Linton Heritage speaker that we're debuting at Axpona. The Linton is a classic speaker from Wharfedale series. It's a speaker we originally made in 1965. It's gone through various incarnations and it was last produced in the 1980s, but we've decided to bring it back as part of our Heritage series. The Wharfedale Heritage series is a nod to our history. We're an 87-year-old speaker company, so part of our pedigree and part of our proof point of why we're such a trustable and reliable speaker manufacturer is our heritage. The Linton is something that we brought back with a nod to what the old classic hi-fi enjoyment was. In the 1970s and 80s, hi-fi was about enjoying your music and really getting into the tunes and kicking back, relaxing. We've put new technology into it, but it still maintains classic identity. We've put new Kevlar drivers in there, new rubber surrounds. We still maintain the real wood veneer cabinets. We use a soft dome tweeter for that really smooth Wharfedale sound. And the key thing about the Linton is the fact that it just sounds good. It's very musical, it's very dynamic. There's a lot of bass there because of the sheer size of the cabinet, but it's a very friendly speaker. 90 dB sensitivity. It's friendly with all kinds of electronics, but what you get from it is a lot of musicality. When you listen to the Linton, you'll enjoy your music. You get the stands that actually will hold your 12-inch vinyl records too, making it a lifestyle speaker, a living room speaker, not just a listening room speaker. And you get all of that in one package for $14.98. Amazing value for money.
The thing I like about it most is the mid-range, the sweetness of the mid-range, the natural sound of them. I'm always going for that natural sound. The finish, the fact that you get stands with them, and the price. It's a great price. I enjoy them a lot. I look forward to visiting Music Direct to check them out for sure. I live in Chicago. Music Direct get all my business, so I'm always up there.